So we had the idea to put in a stock tank pool. Searched online, found a design that I think we both could agree on, and that was the cedar look for a hot tub. So Baling Country actually had a stock tank size that we thought we could deal with, about 9 feet round, and they had them at our local Tractor Supply store. So now we need to mark the place in the backyard using a hose, kind of lined out the space we thought it would fit, and then started the process of digging. Most of the effort was my wife, my son, and my daughter. We started with shovel at first and then went for the big guns by renting a tiller. After loading in the stock tank to the backyard, we decided that we wanted to paint the top part of it to make it begin to look like our cedar hot tub. Of course, we needed a sand filter. This Intex seemed to do the job. Came with lots of good accessories, easy enough to install, and now we have clean water. Here's our little guy having a great time. So back to the inspirational idea. Our cedar hot tub needed a band, and we needed to cut the cedar. Stain them the color that we liked, and then begin to place them one by one around the edge of the pool. A little help from everyone. The project was taking shape. First, I decided what kind of band, just to get a general idea, looked for some different kinds of wraps, eventually settled on this metal banding used for HVAC in the attic. And then, of course, you want a heater. So we installed a heater in the pool, and that made the whole family happy. So there you have it, a do-it-yourself stock tank pool.